IntelliFire is an exclusive state-of-the-art ignition system for gas fireplaces and inserts. It conserves energy by providing an ignition flame only when the unit is in operation, instead of a standing pilot that burns 24/7. This intermittent pilot ignition helps to reduce gas consumption, contributing to saving as much as $10 a month on utility bills. In the event of a power outage, IntelliFire also has a battery backup feature, so the fireplace will continue to provide warmth. IntelliFire Plus has all of this technology, plus constant pilot mode for cold climates, child lock safety features, memory settings, and advanced ergonomic remote controls. IntelliFire Touch is the most advanced and intuitive IntelliFire system, making operating your fireplace simple, smart, and safe. An intuitive touchscreen remote control that displays all features available to your fireplace, as well as maintenance reminders, dealer information, child lock safety, and constant pilot mode for cold climates. Select the wireless wall switch or touchscreen remote control for the solution that fits your life.